In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve the highest quality audio using ElevenLabs, an innovative platform for generating lifelike AI voices. Whether you're a content creator, a podcaster, or simply someone who values high quality audio, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. To kick things off, it's important to start by downloading your audio in WAV format. WAV files are typically the go-to for professional audio projects due to their superior quality and fidelity. This format allows you to preserve the minute details of sound, making your final product clearer and crisper. So, whenever you download your generated audio from ElevenLabs, make sure to select the WAV option to ensure you're getting the very best in sound fidelity. Next, let's talk about the critical role that natural speech patterns play in creating high-quality audio content. When crafting your prompts, remember to infuse them with the same rhythm and flow that you'd use in everyday conversation. This attention to detail helps produce audio that not only sounds more genuine, but also resonates better with your audience, making your message more engaging and easier to understand. Another essential aspect to focus on is the emotional context of your prompts. When listeners tune into your audio, they should feel the intended emotions, whether it's excitement, serenity, or sincerity. Providing clear emotional cues in your text helps the AI replicate these nuances convincingly, enhancing the overall listening experience. For those looking to refine their audio even further, experimenting with voice settings can make a huge difference. On ElevenLabs, you have the tools to adjust parameters like stability and similarity to personalize and enhance the voice output. Stability determines how consistent the voice remains across various sections, while similarity can help you tailor the voice to match a particular style or tone. Don't hesitate to play around with these settings. Regenerate the audio as needed until you find the sweet spot that aligns with your vision. One underrated but crucial tip is to ensure your text is grammatically correct. Errors in grammar can lead to awkward or unintended pauses and can sometimes even change the meaning of what's being conveyed. By double-checking for grammatical accuracy, you help the AI to interpret and generate the text more effectively, making the final audio output smooth and professional. Taking all these factors into account will significantly elevate your audio quality. It's all about attention to detail and a bit of experimentation. With practice and a little patience, you'll be generating audio that is not only high in fidelity, but also rich in character and emotion. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.